This is chapter number 3, networking concept for class 8 computer. Introduction to networking. In the present era, networks are everywhere. The internet has revolutionized not only the computer but also the time of millions of the people in many ways for such an extensive and involved subject which includes so many technologies, hardware devices and protocols. The concept of networking is quite simple. The computers and other hardware devices are connected to one another through networking. Networking allows them to exchange information and cooperate. So students, we can just understand the thing networking concept as two and more than two computers just connected with each other and they are sharing their resources. This is our networking. Okay, they are connected with each other, the hardwares. So what is the networking? Computer networking is all about sharing and exchanging information between the computers in a network across wireless or wired technology. So using the wired and wireless technology, networking has done and all the computers are connected with each other. Okay, this is the networking. The advantage and disadvantage, here are some advantage and disadvantage. The first, files can be stored on a central computer and allowing data to be shared. Okay, so in the networking we can just save our data on the central computer and files can be backed up more easily. We can just backup, have their backup of the all the files. Networks also allow security to be established, ensuring that the network users may not only have access to certain files and application, they can easily access any file and application available on the networks. Because of the networks, and so softwares and resources can be centrally managed. Expensive devices such as laser printers and scanners can be shared, and users can access their files from any workstation. There are some disadvantage. If a computer is not in on a network, a computer hackers get an unauthorized access. So here we can just say that in the networking there are some risk about the security. Okay, unauthorized person can access easily. If any computer system in a network gets affected by all the by a computer virus, so all the system, just possible threat of the other systems getting affected too. So then in the networking, if all the computers in from the single computer is affected by a viruses, so the complete network system has failed. Next, the initial setup cost of a computer network can be high depending on the number of computers to be connected. Okay, so many type of computers are connected with each other in the networking. And the computer networks of main server breaks down. So here the main computer, if the breaks down, suppose the main server, it means that thing enables to send the data. That is a server. A server is a part of network. It is a machine with massive storage capabilities. Okay, so it store massive data, and if the server has stopped working, then all the network system highly affected. The next is components of a network. So here are some components of a network. First is a server. It is also explained that it is a main computer and main part of the computer. It means a system. It is a main system which hold all type of data and softwares and all type of files. Workstation, it means a single computer is called a workstation. Understood? A single computer means from the main computer all the computers are connected, so the remaining computer called workstation. Then NIC, NOS. NIC, it means it just as called NICK. NIC also we can call, and network interface controller we can also call. Because of this NIC we are able to connect with internet. It's just as a card. Okay, and 10,000, 1000 to 1000 configuration it is. Next is NOS. NOS, it means whenever you are using the networking and you are connecting with the computers, that time you have to manage NOS. NOS means operating system in your computer. Then networking channel, it means by which medium you are sending your messages to others. Clear? So this is the networking channel. So here the two type of channel transmission media we can see. This is the first one is the wireless and second one is the wired. Okay, in the transmission channel, wired and wireless, we are using all type of data, and here the capacity of the information will measured in the hertz. Okay, so here the transmission media is the cable. First, three types of cabling are here. The first is the twisted pair, the second one is the coaxial, and third one is the fiber. So first twisted pair cable, we all knows about the like a telephone line cables. Okay, we all knows about the telephone lines cable. They are just as a twisted pair cable, and twisted pair cable are just easy to install, but its maintenance is much expensive. Okay, it is not a static. The next one is the coaxial cable. Coaxial cable, we all knows about the cable of the TV. Okay, in the TV we just know the a cable is there, that is the copper insulated cable, coaxial cable. Okay, and it in this type of cable the interference of the data is less, but it is a heavy, it's a heavy to maintain this. Fiber optical cable, this is the cable which use a fibrous glass. Okay, and the interference in this type of cable is less, बिल्कुल भी नहीं होता है इस टाइप की केबलिंग में, और इसको इंस्टॉल करना बहुत ज़्यादा ईजी होता है. इट्स बट इट इज़ मच एक्सपेंसिव एंड हार्डर टू इंस्टॉल. अंडरस्टूड? सो हियर नेक्स्ट डे modem, router and broadcast. So here the modem, it means the word modem is actually a short form of modulator and demodulator. A modem is a device that can be either internal or external. So here we can see that the modem is an internal and external, both type of modems available here. Okay, and modem, it is means modulator and demodulator. Modulator, it means module your data and demodule your data according to your request. Router, it means router is just as a hardware device, and it's just using between the main server and all the computers which are connected with each other. Okay, and mainly it is used in the LAN connectivity. The next is a broadcast. Broadcast means the distribution of the audio and video content of a dispersed audience throughout the world via any audio and visual mass. So we all knows about right now your teachers just sending you data as a broadcast. Okay, it means a single message को send करने से सबके पास जब message पहुंच जाता, this is the broadcasting. The next one is the network topologies. Topologies, it means is a way by which the network is set up. Okay, ऐसा way जिससे network हमारा किस तरीके से setup हो रखा है. So first one is the bus topology. In the diagram you can see easily the bus means एक बस में जैसे लेफ्ट एंड राइट साइड सीट्स होती है, उसी तरीके से कंप्यूटर जुड़े होते हैं केबल के थ्रू. दिस इज़ द बस टोपोलॉजी. ओके, इसका एडवांटेज ये है कि अगर कंप्यूटर एक अगर थोड़ा अफेक्टेड हो जाता है तो अदर कंप्यूटर पर इफेक्ट नहीं पड़ता है और इसको ईजी होता है इंस्टॉल करना. बट डिसएडवांटेज, इफ़ द केबल इज़ नॉट वर्किंग, इट मे बी द केबल जो होता है अदर कंप्यूटर से बैड सिग्नल अगर किसी में एक में कंप्यूटर में आ रहा है तो हमारा पूरा का पूरा सिस्टम डिस्ट्रॉय हो जाता है. ओके, फॉल्ट डिटेक्शन इज़ नॉट ईजी, और इसमें फॉल्ट डिटेक्शन भी नहीं होता है क्योंकि सारी केबलिंग सारे कंप्यूटर से जुड़ी हुई होती है, क्योंकि सिंगल केबल होती है तो उसमें डिटेक्शन करना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है. द नेक्स्ट इज द रिंग टोपोलॉजी. रिंग टोपोलॉजी इन द डायग्राम यू कैन सी इजीली ऑल द कंप्यूटर्स आर कनेक्टेड विद द each other and as a ring. There is not a single computer as a main computer. Okay, they all are the boss of their own. The advantage requires less cabling. इस टाइप की जो टोपोलॉजी होती है उसमें केबल बहुत कम यूज़ होती है. ओके, एंड इफ वन नोड गोज डाउन इट टेक्स डाउन द होल नेटवर्क. एंड द डिसएडवांटेज ऑफ द रिंग टोपोलॉजी इज़ कि अगर एक कंप्यूटर ही ख़राब हो जाए तो पूरा का पूरा सिस्टम हमारा ख़राब हो जाता है. ओके, स्टार टोपोलॉजी. स्टार टोपोलॉजी में जैसे डायग्राम में दे रखा है कि मेन जो कंप्यूटर होता है उसमें एक बीच में सर्वर होता है, बाकी सारे कंप्यूटर उस मेन से जुड़े हुए रहते हैं. जो मेन कंप्यूटर होता है उसे हम हब कहते हैं, एंड ऑल द कंप्यूटर्स आर कनेक्टेड विद द hub. So advantage gives close control of data. Each PC see all the data. No disruption on the network when connecting or removing device. Easy to detect fault and all to remove path. So there are some advantage and disadvantage. It's where computer of its goes down, the whole network is down. Okay, the server goes down, then whole network is affected and whole network is डाउन. रीज़न, अगर मेन कंप्यूटर ख़राब हो जाएगा तो सारे कंप्यूटर उसी से जुड़े हुए हैं, इट मीन्स सारे कंप्यूटर वर्क करना बंद कर देंगे. ओके, अ लार्ज लेंथ ऑफ केबल इज़ रिक्वायर्ड, और इसमें केबल की बहुत ज़्यादा लेंथ चाहिए होती है. Next is types of network. Here the three type of network: lane, main and vein. So lane, it means in a single office, in a single building, in a single organization, if we are we want to connecting all the computers, so that time we will use a type of network, lane connectivity, local area networking. Okay. And the next is metropolitan area networking. It means like in a single city, if you want to connect with each other, all the persons, like in a two organization, if connected with each other, that time we will use a main connectivity. Okay. Lane just bigger than the main connectivity, बस. ओके. एंड इट इज़ जस्ट एज अ एक सिंगल सिटी को एक दूसरे से कनेक्ट करने के लिए हम मेन का यूज़ करते हैं. एंड द लास्ट इज़ द वेन कनेक्टिविटी. सो वाइड एरिया नेटवर्किंग, in this type of connectivity, we can just say that a WAN is a network that across a broad area using private or public network transport, business and government entities utilize WAN to relay data among employees, clients, buyers and suppliers from various geographical location. So WAN, it means wide area networking. We all are using the internet here. So this is a wide area networking because कहीं भी हम बैठ के कहीं से भी हम अपना डेटा यूज़ कर सकते हैं. We are connected with each other from the large physical distance. Okay, so this is the WAN. In the next video we will learn about all things other